Hi guys, my name is Precious for Askifa.ng and I'll be unboxing and doing the review of the Tecno Camon 11 Pro. Before I delve into the phone's key specs, let's analyze the phone's design and display. The Camon 11 Pro features a diamond fire design similar to the Phantom 8 and the Camon iClick 2. I got the Nebula Black phone and I must say the color is really impressive. Nice one, Tecno. Now let's power up the device and go on a journey. Everyone knows the Camon series is known for its camera qualities, and that's why with the artificial intelligence features, the phone promises even wider camera capabilities. In terms of display, it features a 6.2 HD plus full view display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and an 87.5% screen to body ratio. It also has a 6GB RAM and a 64GB internal memory, which is further expandable up to 256GB via the micro SD slot. Incredible, right? I know. Another improvement to this Camon's camera is the number of artificial intelligence features added to make the experience worthwhile. It has 4-in-1 technology, which includes AI HDR, AI Beautification, AI Bokeh and AI Selfie. And it's also applicable to the 16MP plus 5MP dual rear cameras with LED flash. Here are some of the pictures I took with the Camon 11 Pro. The front camera is better outdoor, while the rear cameras are better indoor. On that aspect, I believe there's a little more room for improvement on the future Camons. Let me leave you on this note while you subscribe to our social media platforms to stay updated on the latest technological trends. I remain Precious for Askifa.ng.